Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we'll explore the different types of angles and learn how to calculate their values. Let's dive into that. Okay, for the first question, you can see a figure and there are some values for different angles and we are looking for the value of x. In order to find x, first of all, I'm gonna find the value of this angle. This one and this one are vertical angles or opposite angles, so they are equal in size. So here is 25 degrees. And then you can see that these two lines are parallel, and I'm gonna draw another parallel line here. Okay, and first I'm gonna find the value of this part of angle x. As you know, this angle and this angle are alternate angle pairs, and because we have two parallel lines, these two angles are equal in size, so we have 25 degrees for this part of x. Let me write it. And the next step is to drawing another parallel line here passing through this angle. Let me to use another color. Okay, and now we know that this is a straight angle and would be 180 degrees, and in order to find this part you should subtract 190 degrees from 180 because these two angles here and here are two supplementary angles and they add to 180, so 61 is the value of this part. Okay, and then you know that this angle and this one are two corresponding angles and they are equal because we have two parallel lines. So this part is 61 degrees as well. And now we can find this part of angle, which is 77 degrees minus 61. That gives you 60 degrees for this part. Okay, and last but not least, this angle and this one are two alternate angles and they are equal as well. So here is 60 degrees. Okay, so you can find the value of x very easy. 60 plus 25 degrees give us 41 degrees for angle x. Okay, the next question is here, but for this question we don't need to find the value of x or y, we just need to find the difference of these two angles. Okay, what can I do? First of all, I'm gonna draw, because these two lines, for example line D and D prime, are parallel, so I'm gonna draw another parallel line to D, and as I said before, this part 40 degrees and this part of angle are corresponding angles and they are equal, so we have 40 degrees for this part of x. And then I'm gonna draw another parallel line to D prime. Okay, and here is 20 degrees, which is equal to this part of angle y. These two angles are corresponding angles as well, so we have 20 degrees for this part. But how about, let me call them M. What should I do? Okay, you know that we don't know the angle or the size of this angle, but we know that this part and this part are equal in size because both of them are alternate angles. Okay, so we don't need to find the value of x directly, but we know that x is 40 degrees plus m and y is 20 degrees plus m, and you should subtract y from x. If you simplify, we will have 40 minus 20, which is 20 degrees for x minus y. Okay, now go for third question. Okay, as you can see, we have two parallel lines, D or D prime, and this is a transversal line. In this situation, this angle 2x minus 11 degrees and this angle 3x plus 1 are supplementary angles, which means that these angles add to 180 degrees. So in order to find the value of x, you should add 2x minus 11 degrees to 3x plus 1 equals 180 degrees, because these two angles are supplementary angles. Just need to collect like terms. 2x and 3x give us 5x, minus 11 plus 1 is minus 10 equals 180, and if we add 10 to both sides, we will have 190, and x is 190 over 5, which is 38 degrees, the value of x. But in this question, we are going to find the value of m. Okay, let me to find the value of 2x minus 11, this part of this angle. So 2x minus 11, you just need to substitute x 38, 2 times 38. So let me write substitute. For x, 76 minus 11 is 65 degrees. So this part is 65 degrees, and in order to find the value of m, because m and 65 are two supplementary angles, you just need to subtract 65 from 180, which gives you 15 degrees, the answer of m. Okay, in part 2 of this lesson, I'm gonna cover more examples. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.